What's up? Welcome back. Today, we're going to be installing these Soffit vents. Hopefully, it should go nice and easy. Just staple them in. Once we get that done, we're going to take the leftover insulation that we have. We're going to fill those gaps so that when we blow the cellulose in up in the ceiling, they can't enter any of the soffits. Should be a nice, simple, easy process. Hoping that this doesn't take a ton of time. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this its own separate video or if I'll slap it in with something else, but let's get this started and hopefully it doesn't take too long. See you in a bit. Today, we're going to be working on installing sheathing on our wall here. Now, step one is figuring out whether or not we want to leave this window or cover it like we did all these others. That we'll have to determine here in a second. Step two is cleaning up all the stuff that's in our way and getting these plates out of our way as well. And then step three, we can finally go ahead and start measuring and getting to cutting for the first board. This is probably gonna be a short video, but we are in a time crunch. There's a lot going on right now, and I just need to go ahead and work on getting this done one little piece at a time. I know we made a ton of progress there for a little while. The progress might slow down just a little bit now here, but we are really close to getting this fully insulated and good and ready to go. So I will see you in a second once I have everything set up and ready to go. All right, well, that's all we have time for today. Hopefully we can get back in here tomorrow, but I have no idea what was going on. I had both breakers off, but yet somehow I still got arc through this panel. I'm completely perplexed on what happened there, but I guess I'll never really know. This is looking really good. I'm super excited with how this is turning out. This looks amazing. We're just gonna pretend that that part isn't there. And this here looks like we've got a nice finished all three walls. So I'm gonna drop you off here. I might end the video here, I might not. I guess you'll know because the video will continue, so. If you've made it this far, make sure to drop a like and leave a comment if you see something or know something that I don't. Please consider subscribing. It really does help out the channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.